mango be eaten late at night, and can mango be eaten by those people who have weak digestive fire? What should we do? Should we eat a lot of mangoes if we want to gain weight? Let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, we are going to talk about fully ripened mango. So firstly, before answering these questions, it's very important for us to understand what is the constitution or nature of mango, what it will do to our digestive fire, what it is post digestive effect. Mango is generally hot in potency, but its post digestive effect is cooling in potency. So because its post digestive effect on the body is cooling in potency, that means it is responsible for gaining weight. It helps to enhance the rasa dhatu. It will help to enhance the kapha dosha in the system because it is sweet in taste and cooling post digestive impact. So it enhances the kapha dosha in the system. Now because it enhances the kapha dosha in the system, so for all those people who have weak digestive fire, they should eat mango in moderation. Who have very low digestive fire, they should eat mango very little. First they should enhance or eat some Ayurveda tonic to enhance their digestive fire, and then they can eat mangoes in moderate quantities. Now all those people who wants to gain weight, like some people are very thin, they are struggling in gaining weight, but then they say whatever we will eat we are not able to digest. So if you are not able to gain weight, there are two reasons. One is what you are eating that you are not able to digest, this is one reason. Another thing is maybe your digestive fire is low, so that's why you are not able to digest it. But now people are doing what? They are keep eating mangoes because it's been said on internet like if you eat mangoes it will help in gaining weight. No doubt mangoes help in gaining weight because it is kapha enhancing, but also you need to pay attention that your digestive fire is up to optimum. Will it be able to digest mango? Because to digest mango you need good amount of digestive fire, and for some reasons if you have low digestive fire and if you are eating a lot of mangoes, now you are enhancing the kapha dosh. Kapha dosh means more of water and earth element, and your digestive fire means fire element is very low, and now you are putting earth element and water element on this small fire, because excess of mango if you are eating. So that means what? This small fire will not be able to sustain itself, it will blown out, and then the mango that you will eat with the purpose of gaining weight, you will not be able to digest it, and because it will not be able to digest, it will cause stomach issues. And then people question many times, like it's been said on internet that you eat mangoes, but when we are eating this is happening. Of course this is happening because we are not paying attention that our digestive fire is low. First we need to treat our digestive fire, then you need to eat or choose the amount of mangoes that you want to eat. Another thing is all those people who have low digestive fire, they should not eat mango very late at night. If you are pitta body type, though no fruit, nothing should be eaten very late at night. It is not according to Ayurveda principles of eating. But for some reason if you have to eat and if you have good digestive fire or it is some emergency, then you can eat. It is not like that mango can't be eaten at night, it can be eaten. But all those people who are struggling with their digestion, who have low digestive fire, all those people should avoid eating mangoes late at night. One thing is because it is kapha enhancing, and night is also that time of night when you will eat, means 8 to 12, that is already a time like when sleep is coming, already our body is going into sleep, kapha enhancement. So when you eat mango that time, more kapha will be enhanced. So those people who have sinusitis or some bronchial congestion or chest related problems, mucus related problems, they should avoid eating mango at night. And best time to eat mango is during the day. Actually best time to eat all the fruits is during the day when there is sun in the sky. In the evening also it's best if you can eat mango before sunset. If not before sunset, 1 or 2 hours after sunset also you can eat, but not very late at night. This way, if you have very good digestive fire, you will be able to digest it. But if your digestive fire is not up to the optimum, then there will be difficulty in digestion of mangoes. And one golden rule, you should always eat mangoes in moderate quantities unless the mangoes are ripened in your own mango tree. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.